Hey guys, Ashley here with Handmade Haven, here to show you my setup with the DEWALT 10-inch table saw. As you can see, I'm just taking everything out of the box. Of course, there's the 10-inch table saw. We have the miter gauge here. Then you'll also have the blade guard assembly. As you can see, these little clear things here. And then we have the rip fence, which also holds the push stick. So a cool thing about this particular model is that it comes with a table stand. So as you can see, I'm just putting in the extensions of the stand and taking the nuts that were provided, putting them through the holes to attach the stand. Once I put the bolts into each holes, I just took a wrench just to tighten them up to make sure that the stand was sturdy. Then I placed the table saw on the stand front to back. There's some bolts provided also to secure the saw to the stand. So I'm just taking the 4 nuts and bolts and putting them into the stand. There's 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Once the bolts were all in and secure, I installed the rip fence. Now this is super easy. You just align the locator screws on the fence and then slide that fence up there and lock it into place. As you can see, with a push of the little lever on the side, the fence is easily adjustable, easy usable. In here, I'm just kind of turning the wheel to show you how the blade comes up and down. And now it's time for the first cut. I'm using 3/4 inch MDF here. As you can see, the cut is super clean. Now I'm going to show you just 3/4 inch plywood. As you can see, it's super easy, it's compact. Definitely use this for smaller cuts. And here I'm just wrapping the cord up so that I can put my table saw away. And I love that it's compact. It fits easily in my little space in my workshop. And there you go. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out more projects at handmade-haven.com. Later, y'all.